Hey guys, it's Dex and Mike. Just want to let you know that we are not going to be accepting any more trailer requests until January 15th of 2017.
So if you could please just hold all requests until January 15th because we have close to 200 requests.
Yes. All right. So thanks a lot for listening, and back to our regularly scheduled program. Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm Dex.
And I'm Mike.
And today we're going to do a trailer reaction for the Russian film Nightingale the Robber.
Oh, nice title.
All right. So we've gotten many requests for this.
Mm-hmm.
And on that note, we are going to start it up. Oh, I like the gun.
Yeah.
Соловьёв в течение 3 суток.
Not playing.
Ваше
3
распоряжение
days,
поступает
huh?
любое воинское подразделение. Связываюсь.
I like the gun.
Не стоит волноваться, здание
That
заминировано.
looks warm.
Yeah.
Перед нами совершенно новый образец русского человека.
Просто разбойник.
What they got?
Исчерпывающая информация.
Oh, not right.
This guy's like insane.
I know, I was about to say that.
Oh my. Wow.
Как порядочный человек, я обязан предложить вам интим.
You're just so calm, like.
Oh, who's the big guy? Nice. What is it, nudity? How do you guys get away with that?
Сдаваться будешь, или селян будет придется.
Да пошумим немного, иначе бы я к вам на метро приехал.
Oh, okay. I know, right? They're gonna be soldiers. Somebody's got a gun.
Разве такое можно пропустить?
This cannot be missed, huh? Interesting.
Wow, that lead character seems to be off the chain. Like, I would not mess with that guy. Like, he's just off his rocker. You know?
Does he not remind you of the bad guy from MacGyver a little bit?
Oh, yeah.
MacGyver's nemesis?
Yeah, just a
That's
little
what
bit.
yeah, there's an American bad guy in a show called MacGyver. And he reminds us of that guy, and that guy was like crazy.
Yeah.
So this is definitely like that. So it looks good, special effects. I love the guns, especially when he's like gunning down the soldiers or the policemen when he's out on the road. I thought that was very cool.
Seems pretty brutal. People getting ran over, thrown out of windows. This is my type of movie.
Yeah, it looks good. Let us know if it's good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Be honest. 'Cause we know you guys are, but
Yes.
just be honest. Alright, so on that note, this is all the time that we have for today.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please check out our other channel, Dex and Mike's World.
Yes, thanks a lot for watching. Comment below, and we will see you next time.